She discovered what stars are made of, then watched someone else take credit for it. In 1925, a 24-year-old graduate student named Cecilia Payne made one of the most important discoveries in the history of science. Analyzing starlight, she found that stars are made almost entirely of hydrogen. Not rock, not metal, hydrogen. It overturned everything astronomers believed. Her doctoral thesis was called the most brilliant in the history of astronomy, but her supervisor, Henry Norris Russell, told her the conclusion was too radical. He pressured her to add a note inside her own thesis, calling her finding almost certainly not real. She did it. 4 years later, Russell reached the same conclusion himself. He published it. He got the credit. She got a footnote. Cecilia Payne decoded the composition of the universe at 24 years old, and then she sat quietly while the discovery was lifted from her hands with a polite smile. Her name was Cecilia Payne. History's footnotes. The people the textbooks left out. Follow for more forgotten stories that changed history.